There they go. They're gonna go visit the Paw Patrols. Go visit your friend Ryder.
Now, with their little toys, they are here.
Okay.
Wait, no.
I stay behind. So you get on the boat. I won't be.
Wait, you can open it.
Simon.
There you go. Now put him on the Paw Patrol.
Yeah, put on the Mighty Pup tower. He's the king of Mighty Pup. Mighty Pup Bird.
You heard him.
Cover. Ladder up.
They both don't fit there, guys. Put one on the bottom.
Wait, I'll put him.
No, then they're gonna get scared. Yeah, put him right there. Let him work on the tower.
Yeah.
Okay, get to work. You guys gotta make money to pay for your house, your Peppa Pig house.